streaming music is about to get a little less robotic. Deezer has announced changes aimed at helping other platforms crack down on AI-generated music. The company is updating how it handles tracks made with synthetic voices or AI tools, and it's sharing parts of that approach so that competing services can adopt similar safeguards. The idea is simple. As AI tools get better at producing songs that sound like real artists, music platforms are struggling with how to identify and moderate those tracks. Some listeners love experimentation, but a lot of creators and fans worry that synthetic music, especially when it mimics real voices, can dilute creativity, metal detect copyright, or even be used without permission. Deezer's update makes it easier for platforms to flag or block AI-generated content by using clearer metadata and filtering systems. That means rival services can build or adopt those tools instead of inventing their own from scratch. It's sort of a standardization push for identifying synthetic music across the streaming world. For artists, this could be a big deal. If streaming platforms can reliably label or filter out AI music, it gives creators more control over what counts as authentically theirs and what doesn't. It also helps platforms avoid accidentally promoting content that might violate rights or mislead listeners. This feels like an early attempt to address a soon-to-be huge issue. AI-generated music isn't going away, and the industry needs practical ways to handle it that respect creators while letting innovation happen. By making its system easier to adopt, Deezer might be nudging the whole industry toward common ground instead of a fragmented, chaotic approach. For listeners, it could mean cleaner playlists and clearer labeling. For artists, more tools to protect their work, and for streaming platforms, a head start on a problem that's only going to get bigger.